Now we are going to learn agent memory. So let's introduce agent with memory that it can remember things. Okay, things. So here you can see message equals to graph dot invoke message human message. Okay, so I already created chatbot with React agent. Okay, so now I am going to continue with memory. This is the another video. Okay, so here you can see message equals to graph dot info and this is the message for this 5 plus 8. So from m in message I'm going to apply loop and m dot pretty print. So here 5 plus 8, so it will call a tool like add tool. This one tool name is add and add 5 plus 8 is 13. Okay, so answer to 5 plus 8 is 13. So here you can see message human message and content divide that by 5. So here graph dot invoke message and from m for m in message m dot pretty. So divide by 5. Now divide a that be 5. Okay. So this is by AI and this is by human. So here you can see this will divide a and b that 5. Okay. So now we can see what is memory saver. Think of memory saver as a diary for your Langgraph agent. Like it is a diary. So normally each time the agent get a message, it process it and forget everything from the before. Okay, so it will forget these things. 13. Okay, we need to divide 13 by 5, but not it divide by 5 by 8. Okay, so here you can see. So normally each time the agent get message it process and it forget everything from the before. So memory saver chain that it will remember every state by saving the graph state in memory. So here the way the agent can continue a conversation or computation without losing track of what happened before. So how it work? Okay, so here you can see um, we need to add 5 plus 8 and this will give you result 13 in your notebook. Okay, uh, write result 13 in your notebook. Okay, so later divide that result by 5. So check your notebook to see last number is 13 and compute 30 divided by 5. Then multiply the result by 2. So again pick up the last number this one and this from your notebook and you can multiply it by 2. So without memory, agent should forget 30. This one 30 and after step 1. So with memory saver, it like having a notebook that automatically saves every result. So here we can see I'm going to use chat grok that I can use grok API and here I am going to use .env file which have grok API. Okay, so here I'm going to initialize my grok model. So LLM equals to chat grok model name this one and API key this one. Okay, now I'm going to bind our tool LLM with tool LM dot bind tools. Okay, so here I'm going to create a graph. So these are the things I have imported state graph from LangGraph start and end. This is from LangGraph and tool nodes tool condition. This is from prebuild LangGraph LangGraph.prebuild and image and display. This is from ipython.display that we can display images. Okay, so now I'm going to calling a tool. So here I'm going to pass state and return message LLM with tool invoke state message. So build the graph. Here I'm going to build the graph. These are the nodes. Okay, here this is for tool calling and this is tool nodes and we are going to add edges. Okay, this is the start and this is the conditional edge that which tool we are going to use and this is the also edges. Okay, so here we can see from langgraph.checkpoint.memory import memory saver. So here I'm going to use memory saver keep track of graph state. So memory equals to memory saver. I need to create this okay, to save the memory. And graph memory equals to builder dot compile, and in check pointer I need to pass memory. Okay, so display image, graph memory dot graph, and draw marmad image. Okay, so this is the marmad image. Okay, so we got some result, but it will remember previous output. So here you can see start. Okay, if conditional is not applied, then it will generate the answer directly if it is not call any tool. Okay, and if it have conditional things like we have different tool, and it will apply conditional edges and call the tool and give you answer and end. Okay, so here I'm going to create thread configurable. Thread ID is 1. So step 1, human message add 12 and 13. Okay, so here I'm going to create uh, another line, message equals to graph dot memory invoke. Okay, so message equals to message, and config equals to config. So from m in message, m dot pretty. So here you can see 12 and 30. This is for add. Okay, and a equals to 12 and b equals to 30. And call id this one, and this is used add tool. Okay, so this will add 12 and 30 equals to 25. Okay, and after this step 2, we want to ask add that number to the 25. Okay, so here a message equals to memory. I'm going to use memory here, graph memory dot invoke message, and config equals to config, and I'm going to apply for loop m in message. Okay, I'm not pretty print. So 25, the result of the function call was 25. Okay, so here add the number to the 25. So here add 2 and 30. Uh, Result of this, and here I'm going to use 12 and 30. It will give you result. Uh, okay, in 25, and again 25. Okay, so it will give you 50, and then we will multiply it by 2. Okay, so here this will give you 100. Okay, the final result function call was 100. So this is the answer. This is for 1, this is for step 2, this is for step 3. This one for 1, 2, and this is the 3. This is the final answer.